Welcome to the CA Help SACE tutorials. The following are supplemental training walkthroughs to assist you as you navigate the SACE platform. For additional information, visit our SACE resource page on the CA Help website. Ready? Let's get started.
Let's go over interim placements. Interim placements are processed when a student is transferred between different SELPAs and are out of state. Interim placements are used to adopt the information and services from the previous LEA as a way of ensuring that there is no gap of services provided. The interim placement process also allows the receiving district to notify CalPADS that they are now responsible and will be the new reporting LEA. Depending on your type of permissions, your district office will start with requesting the record in SACE from the previous LEA. If the previous LEA is a SACE user, the student record will be released to the receiving district. If the previous LEA is not a SACE user, the receiving LEA must create a new record in SACE with the most current information and process the initial CalPADS Affirm procedure. Once the record is in SACE, navigate to Students and then Student IEPs and find your student. The interim placement process is done on the current IEP. Choose the current IEP, which is now the adopted IEP, and scroll down to the Amendment button. Choose Amendment, then choose Add Amendment. The amendment date will be reflective of the student's enrollment date. You can find this in your student information system, such as ARIES, SchoolMax, PowerSchool, Infinite Campus, or whatever SIS you use. I'm going to use today's date as an example. Under Amendment Purpose, you're going to choose Interim Placement. Under Purpose of Meeting, depending on the internal processes of your LEA, this could say something like the student has transferred from ABC SELPA, or the student is transferred from out of state. Again, check with your district office if there are particular informations that need to go here per your district. Click Save on the right-hand side, and let's scroll down to the very bottom where the question asks, does this amendment require additional forms? Yes or no? Choose Yes. Choose Save on the right-hand side, and now your forms are listed here. Scroll down to the interim placement and choose the pencil icon, which is your edit icon. On the interim placement form, please make sure all information is correct, including date student enrolled in district or LEA. We used today's date for the example. Information, we want to make sure that we have the proper school of attendance and school of residence, transportation, parent information. Make sure all of this is updated. As we scroll down, you'll see the last placement of the student and where they were at before they reached you. Program settings, making sure those are correct as well. As you scroll down to services, you'll go down to the very bottom where it says name of LEA representative making interim placement. Based on your internal processes, this could be your name here and your position, and then the date. Over on the right-hand side, again, if you've made any changes here, your orange button here, Save, make sure you click Save, and then Affirm. Affirming date here, you'll have your amendment date. The amendment purpose is interim placement. Plan effective start date will be the date of enrollment for your student. Interim placements do not require a parent signature, so you can choose Not Applicable, and then choose Continue. If any CalPADS errors were to show up, they'll be right here in the middle of your screen. Please make sure you clear all CalPADS errors and go through the Affirm process again. In this example, we do not have any CalPADS errors, so congratulations. Continue Affirm. The forms that are being used in this interim placement process, you can click right here in the corner, select all updated forms, and the form that we updated was the interim placement. Scroll down and choose Submit. You'll get a pop-up to confirm that those are the forms you want in this particular process, and then you'll click on Affirm. Affirm completed. The affirm process has been completed successfully, and you can view the affirmed amendment by clicking on the current IEP. We're going to choose OK. And from there, you have completed your interim placement. Should there be any changes in services and providers, please make sure you now schedule an amendment to make those changes. But the interim placement process is to bring that record into your district to move forward. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, you can find more SACE walkthroughs on our CA Help YouTube channel. We'll see you next time.